So our product solves this issue by flexible REST APIs. What I love about the fact that we have flexible REST APIs is we don't care what the label on the system is. It can be Workday, it can be Okta, it can be SailPoint. As long as the technology can make an API call, you can automate the onboarding of identities. And if you think about higher ed, right? Higher ed has students. They have faculty that work there. And then they have all the contractors, vendors, and visitors. Typically, your students come from a very specific student database or student software, if you will. Your faculty come from a completely separate database. And then if they are vetting their contractors, you may have a third database that has contractors and vendors in it. And they have to go through a specific process, especially in schools now with all of the risks that you have at schools. You could think about this. And then there are other verticals where you would have this, right? You could think of healthcare and having your doctors and your nurses versus your actual just employees. Each one of these can make an API call directly to the PACS system to add new identities on the fly, right? So you think about all this, these guys putting these lists together, emailing them to security, putting the photos together, security getting interrupted, the contractors, the vendors, right? Data entry into the physical access control system, and now you have API calls doing that. So you have immediately reduced your cost, you've reduced your risk, and you've increased your compliance.